If you've ever wondered how React makes your application fast and efficient, the answer is simple: virtual DOM. The virtual DOM in React is a lightweight virtual representation of the actual HTML DOM. It serves as an abstraction layer between the developer's code and the browser's rendering engine. Did that make any sense? To me, that did not make any sense. So let's go back to the beginning. DOM stands for Document Object Model. The DOM is a tree-like structure that represents all the elements of a web page, such as the text, images, buttons, and more. Each element on the page is like a node in the tree. Now, if you make changes to the real DOM, like updating the text or adding images or more elements, the browser will have to re-render the entire page. Doing this will make your application slow and inefficient. That's where the virtual DOM comes in. Instead of directly updating the real DOM, when there's a change or update in an element, React works with the virtual DOM. Here's the interesting part. React compares the previous virtual DOM with the updated one. By comparing these two versions of the virtual DOM, the previous and the current, React figures out the smallest changes needed to make the real DOM match the updated virtual DOM. React then makes the changes based on this difference. By modifying only the necessary parts of the real DOM, React is able to make your application work fast and very efficient.